Okay, guys, so welcome back to the second video in the course of copywriting. So let us start by a question that what does copywriting mean? So, copywriting is something like a medicine to the user's problem. Okay, a good copywriting must fix the problem that the reader is having without much effort and time. So you don't need to have great grammar or high level of English in order to learn what copywriting is, as well as to do a great copywriting. You don't need to be expert in everything, right? All you need is to know your customer, their problem, and finally the key to their problem. That is the solution to that problem or a technique to influence them. So this is what I am going to teach you in this course. So let me even make it simpler for you. Copywriting is a way in which you use certain words to make things or products sell more. Okay, it's just usage of certain words which can make your customers to know more about you. I mean, it can create an eagerness in your customers so that they know more about you and they open up your blog or maybe they click on your ad and go to see the products. So the better you write, the better the conversions and finally the better the sales would be. So the interesting and action taking words you use, it will definitely change the way people take action and people will engage with your content even more and more. So it is most important skill that one must learn. For example, if you are writing a proposal for your client, and if you are having a good copywriting skill, and also if your services are great, then there are great chances of conversion when compared to a person who doesn't know a copywriting as well as if he is providing same kind of service as you are providing. So let me give you one more example so that you get convinced by what exactly is copywriting and why you should invest your time in learning this skill. So back in the days when there was no internet, you could make the customers visit to your shops and show them the product manually, right? So you can also make them see different products that they don't want to see and advertise your that product also. So that was a great way, right? But in today's era, when everything is getting digitalized, you need to have this skill to attract people to see your product and business so that they can convert. Now, it is much of theory that I was talking about. I'm going to give you some assignment after every video, as I said in previous video also. So for today, I want you to write down where you want to use the skill. So this might be a website or a course or a business or any blog or any ads that you want to run. Think of all the possibilities where you can use copywriting skill. And let me pause over here so that you can think. Okay, so for the people who are having difficulty in thinking right now in case they don't have any business or a blog or anything to think, as well as for the people who are not able to think right now and don't have any blog or business, so you can use it for your website. Okay, now you might think that you don't have a website, so you can use it for your email, like every other person, or like in today's generation everyone writes email, right? So you can use copywriting skills for email. Again, you can say that, okay, Hardiki, I don't write emails every day, so you can use it for proposals, you can use it for newsletter, you can use it for social media campaign, you can use it for coupons, you can use it for online ads, YouTubes. Okay, then you might say that I am not into all of this thing. Tell me something else. So you can use it for your presentations. Like presentations are something that all of us do, right? You can use it while giving a webinar, while um, writing some sign up forms or blogs or articles or press, newsletter, sales letter, anything. Now, did you get the reason that why this skill is in so much use? And you might even amaze that by listening to the fact that the demand of this skill is much higher and the demand is out of supply. I mean, like, the suppliers are very few and the demand is very high, as I also showed you in the previous video. And if in case you haven't saw that video, make sure to watch that video, because that video might inspire you to even learn more and give your best in this course. So copywriting can help you convince people around you, and it can be your own boss or customers or anyone else in your life. And that was it for today's video. This was just an introduction video where I showed you where you can use copywriting skills, as well as where what is actually copywriting. So I am really excited to teach you all of this. In the next lesson, I shall teach you guys some exclusive and seductive words that you can use to write the copies, or that you can use for copywriting. Okay, so I hope this video was useful for you, and in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe it. And thank you guys for watching the whole video, and stay tuned till the next video.